probably fidget spinners, they're hot. Who's the hottest Uber driver you've ever had? I need to pick that up. What? Maybe I've been sinning less lately. Watch your profanity. Oh! Yeah. Baneshka. What up? Biatches. I honestly look like I've just been dragged through a hedge, but I'm currently in bed eating breakfast, watching America's Next Top Model. It's doing great stuff for my self-esteem. Really, it's doing great. I feel great right now. Sitting in bed, stuffing my face while watching all these people be models on TV. You know, it's great. Anyway, I need to concentrate on the show, but I'll catch up with you in a second. That was cringe. Honestly, what am I doing with my life? Very exclusive look at my kitchen. I love this song. Ow, ow, okay, I'm okay. Oh my god, too many noises are going on. Too many noises are going on. It sounds like I'm literally going crazy in the head. Oh my god. We get it, Queenie, you're loud. The milk's pretty much empty. I actually need new carton. Sorry to all the vegans out there. Oh, that's too much muscular activity for me. Okay, wow, okay, I'm done with my life. Thank you very much for, take two. Thank you very much for coming to Cooking with Lewys, episode number 1. Okay, I'm done. Ugh, the lawsuit sometime soon. Thank you very much. Aloha! Hola, howdy diddly neighborinos. Hey, what's up, hello? I just had word vomit. Today, I just decided to vlog because you guys asked for more vlogs. And you guys are probably going to regret this in about 5 vlogs time because you're going to be like, why the hell did we ask for more of this? This is the worst decision I've ever made. But you're stuck with it now because you said, you're welcome. I'm literally doing nothing today, so cue the world's most boring vlog. I honestly don't even know what I'm saying. You're getting a vlog. Let's get into it. That was the worst vlog intro in the entire world. Fingers crossed I'm up for Vlogger of the Year at Summer in the City this year. Oh god, I'm so nervous. Oh, there is something wrong with my camera lens. It is a little bit, leave it. It is a little bit later now, and I'm about to go on my Valentine's date because you know it is Valentine's Day. There is a mark or a smudge or something. I don't know anymore. Anyway, yes, it is Valentine's Day today, so I am actually going on a date. I have been asked, so I will show you what it is like when we're there. Oh, I'm just so nervous. Baneshka, this is my outfit of the day. We love a fashionista queen. Everything is from Pretty Little Thing, because, you know, I'm a pretty little thing. Okay, that was cringe. I look like I'm gonna go on a walking, hiking expedition, but I think I'm literally about to break this mirror. It's fine. Okay, let's go. Honestly, my room is actually disgusting, but you're not my mum, so... Okay, I'm actually debating whether to change this, because... Oh, you know what, I don't care. Peace out. So I've arrived at my first date destination. Any guesses? I'll give you 3 seconds to comment down below. It's with my dentist. There it is. Wait, where's my finger? There are all the little things that go in your mouth. I personally hate the dentist, but because like when they get like the little metal stick thing and they like scrape like the top of your teeth, like it's like nails to chalkboard to me. It's like literally, I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. My pet peeve is when people don't drive over the road. I'm like in the verge, on the edge, on the bush, and they're like halfway across my lane and they're like minding their own business. I'm like, get on your side! Thank you very much. I can't see with these glasses on while I'm driving, so this is why I've lowered them. It's dangerous, but you know, I live on the edge. I'm not gonna show you because I know some people absolutely hate feet. We can relate, sis. I just stopped my toe and half my big toenail came off. It's a really emotional topic. It actually kind of hurts and my toenail looks ugly, so subscribe for more anecdotes about my life. Honestly, imagine if I was a daily vlogger, like imagine how boring this would be. So guys, what is up and welcome to daily vlog number 376. I just broke my big toe. Honestly, daily vloggers everywhere are shaking. Okay, I'm gonna go now. This vlog clip was pointless. I don't even know if you've ever been on a vlog before. Yes, what those camera angles, honey? No, please. I feel violated. Josiah watching Loose Woman. What would you rate me out of 10? Okay, me too, to be honest. Can I help you?
Yeah, have you got your wallet?
You're welcome.
So pasta, ravioli, chicken Kiev.
It's time for lunch. Wow, this vlog is being... I'm okay.
Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from...
I really don't know what I'm doing here, but you know, I'm just sort of going with the flow. Thank you. God, we've got Nigella Lawson in our house.
Talk to an experienced lawyer.
Okay, that's enough. It's enough fun for today. These look like quesadillas. Is that what they're called? Quesadillas? Quesadillas. Oh, ow! Holy fidget spinners, they're hot.
And when I had the day off, I went to my local pub.
Oh my god. There's not even any point of me vlogging this. Like, look at this lighting. I filled the soup up too far though, and carrying it over was like an Olympic sport. Oh my god, oh my god, the soup in my eye from that, ow. Okay, this needs to stop, this is a dangerous sport. Just gonna apply some lip balm. A lot of people have been commenting on my videos, saying things like, I love the Britney stage you're going through. And just a quick survey question, you know, feel free to answer in the comments down below. Do I look like I'm going through a mental breakdown? Would be great to know for my mental health. Would be great to know if I need to see a doctor. Do I have to shave my head off again? Like, I did that however many months ago. By the way, the lip balm I used is this Bite Beauty one, hashtag not spawn. It's, oh my god, what is the Agave Lip Mask. Link will be down below, if I can be bothered. Always remember to spread peace, love and positivity. Lara Croft, Tomb Raider. Ciao. Ow, I think I broke my ankle. Hey cutie, we out here in a Toyota Yaris, am I right ladies? How you feeling? Excited? Ready to rumble? John Cena. Sorry. Hang on, I just want to ask you a quick question.
Right, can we get going if we're going to get to it?
Who's the hottest Uber driver you've ever had?
I don't look at them like that.
I can't turn.
Oh, for f***'s sake.
What's your profanity?
Get the glasses off.
Oh my god, okay, wow. Junction, please. I literally look like that guy from the, not The Incredibles, Despicable Me. That's the one we're looking for. High five. Oh my god. It sounds like it's gonna break, honestly. Like, my car literally sounds like it's about to pass out. Is that what cars do? Sass Queen. Literally, if I don't get out of this car in a second, I'm gonna die of heat, desperation, desperado. How is my mum back before me? How did you get back before me? You snaky bitch. I was just driving. What? Lipstick and my Valentino white. I make a smoothie before we go.
Can you make a smoothie now?
Why? I can't make a fucking smoothie. My walking boots are now on, and we are ready to stomp all over the city. What is that? These boots are made for walking.
And that's just what they are.
Stuck on this misguided coat as well. And if you want any of these clothes, it will all be linked down below, like the helpful tuber I am. I don't play to the rules around here. I'm gonna make a smoothie. We have no raspberries in date. Today is a bad day. Girls road trip! Woo! Party! Summer! Woo!
Double right there in the middle. Get your hands on that. Always falling. Nothing. Just say this. Right. Next question.
Did I press the right button? Oh my god, did I do it right? Oh my god. Thank you. That was so stressful. Like, this person came up to me and asked me if I knew what I was doing, and I was literally like, yeah. I brought a spare pair of jeans with me just in case I no longer want to be Lara Croft Tomb Raider. So cold, literally everything hurts. Even my chin hurts. My chin.
Do you like the ones with me?
What? Okay, that kind of hurt. Or that like something out of Bug's Life.
9 to 4.
This is the chosen one. Sleek, black, sexy. Oh, I just broke that. Getting a lot of stairs. What's up, dudes? Bye, mamacita. Hola. Wait, what's bye in Spanish? Adios. Making a smoothie. I'm pretty sure I've got it all down my coat. Almost started it without a lid on. I love this song. Stop. Thank you. Originally, I planned on having a vlog clip of me drinking my smoothie, but I decided to drink my smoothie first and forgot about vlogging. So I don't have a vlog clip of me drinking smoothie. So instead, you have a vlog clip of me drinking an empty smoothie and explaining why I'm not actually drinking my smoothie instead of the vlog clip of me drinking my smoothie. Quality content, people. Oh my god. So, we've got business at the front. Party at the back, baby. Oh yeah. That's how we roll. You know, we got a business exterior in case, you know, we got any business meetings, but then we're ready to hit the club as soon as they're over with the party at the back. I just got done filming a video. This is my recreating James Charles's makeup. Yeah, so if you haven't watched that yet, then go watch it. Anyway, I'm now gonna take this off and then my mum has made me dinner! Yes, I'm hungry. Honestly, I'm so hungry. Yeah. Welcome to my bathroom. I need to take this makeup off so quickly. My mum is literally like, your dinner's been ready for like 5 minutes. And I'm like, you're just gonna have to wait for me because I am a VIP. A very important person, if you didn't know. Okay. Okay, time to cleanse. Oh my god. Take 2. Wow, that was kind of good. Oh my! Oh my god, it's dripping. I need to stay over the sink. I was getting way too cocky. All cleansed. Hello.
Hello.
I need to pick that up. Moisture. Moisturizer is really hard to get out. I'm gonna come out. Ugh, I give up. Final step. This MAC Fix Plus coconut water stuff. It smells amazing and leaves my skin feeling refreshed and clean. Thumbs up for my dermatology skincare review. Badeshka. What's for dinner? Oh, yes. So I just saw on Cinzia's Instagram story that this guided collection, like the Yeezy inspired collection, it was back in stock. Hell yeah! Because I saw this collection first launch, and it all sold out. Anyway, Jesus answered my prayers. Today is a godly day. Maybe I've been sinning less lately. It came back. I thought it was never gonna come back because I thought that they had got like a copyright or something for like literally like straight up copying Yeezy. I'm literally rambling like you don't care. Bye. Good luck, Charlie. Did I break my camera? I've now just placed an order on Pretty Little Thing. Someone take my card away, please. I should be doing uni work right now, but instead I'm just wasting money on 3 more pairs of joggers. Not that I needed any more pairs of joggers. Okay, I actually need to shut this computer off. I've got so much uni work to do and I'm just procrastinating so much. Procrastination station. Relatable teen, follow me for more tweets. I sound like the Dory Twitter account over here.